Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Infiniti Q50 engine air filter. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your two new engine air filters. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. You'll find one air filter box on the driver's side and another on the passenger's side of the engine bay. This is a straightforward process that anyone can do. Now let's access those filters. On each air filter box, you'll see several clips or screws holding the cover in place. Use your screwdriver to loosen or remove these fasteners. Once they are all undone, gently lift the cover off the housing. You'll then see the old, dirty air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how it's seated, as this will help you install the new one correctly. With the cover off, carefully pull out the old air filter. You'll likely notice how much dirt and debris it has collected. Now, take one of your new, clean air filters and place it into the housing. Make sure it sits snugly and evenly within the box, without any gaps. The filter should fit perfectly, allowing for optimal airflow and filtration for your engine. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully place the air filter box cover back onto the housing, aligning it properly. Secure all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight. Give everything a quick visual check to confirm it's all in place. You've just completed a simple but important maintenance task, which can lead to better engine performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.